Round 2 of eating. I'm already starting to get a little bit full. Mmm. Mm. 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 Very delicious. I recently read an article that, well, not an article, but I recently read that, I obviously am not vegan, but I do love vegan foods, and today I went fully vegan for the day. But protein is what keeps you full, and not meat. Mm. Mm. Which made me wonder, why I can't cut down on meat. No, because today, even without meat, pretty full. And I had a smoothie for breakfast. It was only like just under 500 milliliters of smoothie. Yeah, and then I had a falafel salad. And now it's udon. Hmm? No? Don't. Now I have to constantly eat meat to be full or to be satisfied. So good. I'm actually really full. I love shiitake mushroom. On my other video, the mukbang part 1, I put all the ingredients in the description box. In this video, I keep dropping morsels. Yeah, in this video I will put down in the description my method of cooking. It's deliciousness. And I was thinking of pan frying some mandu as well at the beginning. Lucky I didn't. It's really filling. You know, you can always adjust. I used half a block of deep fried tofu, but you can adjust it. There's a whole block, if needs be. It's so good. So good. This is low fat. So many people nowadays are talking about health and eating less junk. Well, here you go. This is deliciously satisfying. And it's vegan. And it's healthy. It requires little to no oil. I'm really full. I got my tea here. What I love about tea is when you drink it, or if you're eating something that's got a little bit of grease to it, the tea just cuts down the grease. So good. A good way to eat veggies is to stir fry. I've seen some people complain they don't eat enough veggies. Well, there you go. Make this. So good. I'm really full. I made a whole pan full of this. So I'm eating a pan's worth. This is like 2 people's portion. Maybe even 3. It was really good though. Oh god, I'm really full. Bad day. Oh, bad day eating so much. I can't help it though, it's just so good. Oh, the shiitake mushroom is so flavorful. Alright guys. I'm really full. Oh, one more bite. I can do this. You will be thinking because it's vegan. If you don't get full, well, you do. It's got protein in it. And carbs. And lots of veggies. I'm full. Please help me. Oh, good God. If you guys want more of these like mukbang videos on this channel, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. I think I need to eat some oranges. Pardon me. Pardon me. I apologize. I'm gonna have to cut that out of the video. Maybe keep it in. Keep it nice and raw. Alright, peace out and all the love.